Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you the Vela Exchange Airdrop. This is a confirmed airdrop for the beta testers. The project is already live in beta, so if you check it and you use it right now, this is a huge opportunity because they already have a token in the market and right now it's almost at $7 per token. So we could have an airdrop from a project that we already know the price of the token. So this is very important. I'm going to show you how Vela works and exactly all the steps that you need to do right now in order to be here in this beta usage of the application and exchange. Everything is going to be covered in this video and you need to start doing it right now, guys. If you have been complaining of not having an airdrop distribution, this is the best airdrop that you can do right now and get airdrop distributions really soon. Guys, and if you are not in my Discord, you need to subscribe there. Many people got thousands of dollars and they share it in my Discord with the Blur NFT marketplace. They did a distribution yesterday. So we covered that in the Discord. We have been talking about Blur in the Discord. It was not covered in my videos. So that is why you need to be in my Discord. We talk and we discuss many other airdrops that myself cannot cover in the videos because it's too much around airdrops, guys. So if you are complaining also for not having money on these distributions, join my Discord and use my application also to register. So right now, let's go directly to the video on how to get these amazing Vela tokens in this distribution for the beta testers of the app. Hey guys, well, Vela Exchange has been already in beta, launched already since 3 or 4 days ago, so you can already go there and check everything. And I had a confirmation from the team that the airdrop is going to be for the testers on this beta application already launched. I don't know exactly everything that you need to do, but I think in this video I am covering everything that will help you to get this airdrop. So I will go directly to this, guys. So Vela Exchange Airdrop is confirmed for active beta testers. When you enter into the app, you see this message. Thank you for participating in an incredible sexy beta. Our team is proud to share the next area of perpetual trading with the community. And pay attention to that. We encourage you to trade, refer, mint BLP, play with settings and have a blast. So I think that is already a hint of what things you really need to do on the exchange, on the platform, in order to get the airdrop. Again, it's not confirmed, but I think that is a hint. But remember, sexy doesn't mean we don't have our faults. This is a beta after all. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions, please fill a ticket and we will review your message. And another quote from the Discord, starting March 14, you will be airdropped your first batch of vested Vela tokens. Remember that this is a 12-month program. But again, here is the link for that comment. And Vela token, guys, and this usually not happen with airdrops. Usually an airdrop is before the launch of the token. In this case, the Vela token at the moment of this video, you can see it in CoinGecko, is at $6.66. And you can see that you can already trade it. This is a project running on Arbitrum 1 and you can see that it's in position 520 already. So guys, you have a token, you know the value. The max supply is only 50 million, guys. So a little more than the double of Bitcoin, but there are not many tokens around there. So guys, this airdrop could be one of the biggest right now, very quick, directly to the point. You know how much the value of the token is right now. So I think if you have been complaining really, because I get a lot of comments blaming me about the Optimism 2 airdrop, that was not what we were expecting. So please, if you are one of those, you need to do this airdrop. I think this is one of those rare opportunities. This is not an easy airdrop anyways, and it's not free. You are using the beta launch application, which means that you are already using real money here. So the volume of these transactions is going to make all the difference. We don't know how much you are going to need, but I'm going to use in the thousands of dollars to do this. If you cannot afford that, anyways, I recommend you to use handbrake, and if you only have $10, try it, you don't lose too much because you need the transactions only. but you probably are not going to receive too much on this airdrop, or maybe you are not going to get anything. So if you really want results here, use a lot of volume like you are going to see in this video. Let's go to the step by step. Like always guys, first step, follow them on Twitter. Second step, follow them on Discord. This is not mandatory and you are not going to be linked by the crew tree, for example. Usually when you do the crew tree, you already have your Twitter, Discord there, so your wallet and Discord is linked, so everything is linked in there. Here, we don't need to do any of that garbage of crew tree. So we go directly to the exchange, we do volume, and we know that we are going to be rewarded. This is fantastic, guys. I am tired of needing to chat in Discord channels for getting levels and the crew tree. So if you have been complaining, please do this airdrop. Now, step 3, go to the Vela app and connect on Arbitrum One network. Please use this link. This is my referral link, so you support the channel. If you don't want to support me, you just go to app Vela Exchange. But please click the link. It will help the channel. I really don't get too much for this. It's a lot of effort. So you support the channel using my link. I will appreciate that. And remember, if I get a nice airdrop and it's because of the referrals, I will do a giveaway on my channel. I already did that. So each time that I get some tokens from a distribution where the community helped me with a referral link, I will do an airdrop. So go to the exchange, use my link please, and once you log in with your MetaMask, you need to be on the Arbitrum One network. If you don't have it for one of those rare occasions, go to chainlist.org and search there Arbitrum. It's going to be pumped to your MetaMask, accept that, and you are going to be done. So like you can see, I am connecting to Arbitrum One, and now what you need to do is the next step. So the next step is when you are connected, you need to deposit USDC. All what you use first here on the exchange is USDC. So you really need to have USDC. If you don't have USDC on your Arbitrum, make a trade on any of the different exchanges, Uniswap or any other exchange. Get USDC on your Arbitrum wallet here on your MetaMask. After that, we are going to do the different things on the exchange. Trade, liquidity pools, mint BLP, stake BLP, and using all the configurations that we can there. So let's go to do that. So I click here on deposit. I will select the amount that I want, and you can see I have 1,700 USDC. So I will use everything here because I want volume, guys, and I want results in this airdrop. So I am going to use 1,700 here for this. So your token approval was successful. Now I need to click on deposit. I will deposit that amount of USDC. You can see the gas fees is 0.15. And even if I am using this amount of money, guys, I will not lose that money. I will do transactions. I will, even if I do trade markets or enter into trades here, I'm going to close it. I don't plan to trade really for this. So I will try to minimize my loss a lot. What I want to do is generate volume here. So once I already have, you can see I deposit all that money. I'm going to trade this. So here you have market, limit orders, you can long and short. Right now this is going a little bit to the upside, so I will start doing a long here. You can see 1,700 in my collateral. I am in Ethereum against USD. So I will use a little of leverage. I will put 1,000 here and I will do a long. So I will confirm this. You can see 0.29 if the gas fees here. So we still are under 50 cents. The position of the market order was successfully. You can see I have my position here from $1,000. I don't want to risk any more this, so I will already close it, and probably I will lose a little bit. So I will close the 100% of that. 19 cents, so we still are under $1 on fees. I already closed the position. So I will do after this, I don't want to bore you guys, so I will do after some shorts, more longs using limits, stop market, stop limit. So use all the configurations that you have there. If you go to the account, guys, you can see that this is a new account and you can see my balance here. I lose $9 already from some trades, from 2 trades. So you can see here your trades on the last 30 days, the profit loss that you have, the volume that you use on the past 30 days. You can see that I also lose on that operation because I use a leverage, so try to keep it clean, but you need to move volume here, guys. Again, this is your overview. This is your wallet USDC and this is your exchange balance. So in order to do the stake, you need to have the balance on your wallet balance. So I'm going to withdraw my balance from there. And you can see now my balance is in my wallet balance. So now I go to stake, and here in Mint BLP you can see that I have my balance here. So I will click, I don't know, 4 of these. I will mint them, mint BLP, confirm this. Mint BLP was successful. Now you can see I have here 3.99 BLPs. I will stake them. I will stake the max amount, and I plan to stake more here and just leave it until the airdrop. So I will take this airdrop seriously. I think all the cards are in the table from part of Vela. So I will click stake, and you can see that I already have there staked. So we already covered this part. Step 5, which is consider maybe buy 2 previous NFT releases and check for the new ones when they are available. Also in the app, guys, if you go to account and you go to NFT Forge, you can see here that there's a Vela X Arbitrum Medallion AMM and a Vela AMM official NFT. And you can go to OpenSea, for example this one, and you are going to see that these collections of Vela AMMs are already here on the OpenSea. You may want to buy one of these and one of the other ones just in case. Again, all this is not me forcing you to do anything. It's all the things that you may get to have a boost on this reward, or just to be sure that you are doing everything in your power to get it. And you have this beta core also, which was not released, so pay attention to this, and also the launch core, so pay attention to this one too. So it will be maybe a good idea to be up to date with these NFTs. That will be step 5. On step 6, maybe buy some Vela token just in case. Having the token already is required for the airdrop, maybe, who knows. So here in this part that I am showing you right now, you can click on buy Vela. You are going to be redirected to the app of Camelot Exchange. Here you can connect and buy some Vela tokens. One is almost $7, so maybe you can just buy 1 token just in case, or half of the token, I don't know. Maybe the reward also has a boost if you have the tokens already, so I really don't know, and for no reasons I am telling you to do that. It's a recommendation. I am trying to cover everything that I can for this airdrop. So in that case you can connect here Arbitrum and you can buy some Vela tokens if you want there. Then step 7, here you can see all your history. Volume is important, so I recommend you to use hundreds or thousands of dollars. So I already mentioned how to do that and how to see that. You go to the account part, which is /account/overview, and you can see your volume here. How much volume have you used it on the past 30 days? This is your profit loss on your trades and everything, and your amount of trades on the last 30 days. And step 8, which is not something that you need to do, but I just want to show you. You can see here all the best users for volume and profit loss. So you can see how, for example, the best user, Thanatos, has over 500,000 in volume, but only 3K in profit loss. So clearly it's for the airdrop there, but that trading volume helps the protocol big time. So you can check that here on the leaderboard. And you can see, for example, in the last 7 days, Thanatos has almost 500,000 in volume, more than 500,000. Here is the average leverage that he used it. This is the profit loss, but I'm pretty sure that he is already in position 1 on this leaderboard. So I really think that he's speculating that this is going to be important for an airdrop. I didn't have confirmation from that, so I recommend you to don't get all emotion about this top 50 leaderboard. I think if you use a lot of volume, we are going to get airdrops. That is what I think. It's my opinion. I don't think that only these 50 people, the 50 tops, is going to get it. Of course, maybe they are going to have more than us, but I don't think that you need to measure yourself with the top of this list. For what I am mentioning, you can see that a volume of 500,000 doesn't correlate with a profit loss of 3,000 only. So clearly you can see only 5 wins, 1 loss. So not much trading here. But again, guys, a lot of things on airdrops is regarding trading volume. And this is one of those concrete airdrops that is confirmed. We have a token on $7, so I would recommend you to consider this as a serious investment on fees mostly, because you are not really losing your money if you don't keep your trades open. Step 9 is get your refer and share it. If you are in my Discord, that will be easier because we share our refers there. But basically there's a part where you can go here on referrals and get your refer. And the step 10 that I put is that I saw some comment that says maybe also stake Vela, where we already did that, hold the NFTs. Do some reporting back via the feedback service, so you can try to do that. And update your account information. Use the cash in and cash out. Basically do everything. But those are going to be here. In account, you have cash in, cash out. So you can click and cash in and cash out some of that here. It's not my idea to use it. And also here, you can put your information of your profile. Basically, I already covered everything here that you may need for this Vela Exchange airdrop, which is confirmed. Possible date 14 to start getting the vested Vela when Vela Exchange goes live after this beta. So guys, super bullish on this, really super bullish. I know that Mingo has been covering a lot Vela Exchange. I was in communication with him. He has some partnerships with the exchange. It's not my case, but again, I think it could be a great opportunity. I am feeling that they are transparent. I contact them and I have the confirmation at least that testers for this beta is going to get airdrop. So you don't have any excuse. Your only excuse, it could be the capital. I really think that maybe you could lose like $50 or $100 entering opening positions here and closing them with some of the gas fees, which is really cheap in Arbitrum. But really, I think this is a win-win opportunity for this. And you only need to do it during a couple of days, maybe 1, 2, 3 weeks until middle of March. So get volume. If you are in the top 50 of the last month, that would be amazing. I am not telling you to expect that, but anyways, guys, you may see me here at some point on the list. I really plan to be on this top 5. And again, guys, I probably am going to use more than one wallet for this, because volume is not difficult. You need the capital and move it around. Guys, that is all for this video. Again, remember, I have my subscriptions. People did more than $4,000, guys. They share it, a screenshot of the MetaMask with the blur distribution. I will not give you any name, of course, but if you are in Discord, you are getting more into airdrop and distributions, and really get into people that knows a lot, guys, a lot. I will say that many of them are more active than myself. So yeah, so super proud of the people in my Discord. So if you're in my Discord, you know that I really love you guys. So yeah, and ladies, because we have a couple of ladies on my Discord. So yeah, super proud of that too. Remember, guys, you have here on a video on how it works, and you have here the February updates and new features that I did for the app. You can do a lot of things like adding comments into airdrops just to remember stuff and all that. And guys, I am planning to add alarms, so you will get alarms into your email with different things. So keep an eye on my app, it's growing a lot, guys. So check that, please. And before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and follow me in Twitter, because even if I didn't cover Blur NFT marketplace on my videos, I did post stuff of Blur in my Twitter a couple of weeks ago even. So don't miss anything. Go to my Twitter at CryptoState, follow me there. That will be all, guys, and I see you in the next video. Already 3 videos in a row this week, guys, so I am super active. I will see you after. Bye.